Welcome to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson. Good to be back with you. I'd like to share with you today the Cisco HyperFlex Training program for multi-cloud workloads in the data center. This particular training program is referred to as DCIHX and focuses on the Cisco HyperFlex technology, specifically working in VMware ESXi cloud-based environments. Now, this program does not have its own certification program, but is directly linked to Cisco technology interfacing directly with VMware solutions in data center environments. The course objectives are quite extensive here. Let me just mention a few. First of all, describing how Cisco HyperFlex Data Platform functions, as well as managing your Cisco HyperFlex solution in and related to VMware vSphere, along with managing Cisco HyperFlex with VMware ESXi-based clusters, and many other details. So I encourage you to click on the link below our video. Our website will have all the details, I promise you, that will help answer your questions about this quite robust and valuable training program that's designed to meet today's cloud-based technology infrastructure requirements from a networking perspective, and will open up new career opportunities and boost your earnings and income potential. So this is Lawrence Wilson signing off. Take a look at that website. We think it'll be valuable to you. And we wish you much success and look forward to seeing you soon.